Love is patient. Love never fails. This might probably not be more true for anyone than for Klodi and Bao-Y. I'm pretty sure that there is no unit to measure patience yet. In my view, patience should be measured in one matai, with one matai being equal to 25,899 kilometers. The sum of the distance between London and Frankfurt, London and Beijing, and London and Sydney. You really took long-distance relationship to another level. But you always knew that being patient would eventually lead you to overcoming the physical distance and to spending your lives together.
Klodi, it is impossible for me to put into words the love that I feel for you and explain to our friends and family how much you really mean to me.
You make me the best of me, making the best version. From this day forward, my heart will be your shuttle and my arms will be your home.
I vow to always show you love and compassion, and to always care for you in good and in bad times. Take your family as mine.
I love you and I always will.
And now, without any authority to do so, I hereby declare you husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, they are presenting you Mr. and Mrs. Amares.
throughout this time, we really grew up together. Let's grow old together.